think we have a additional PRO, L.A. Shivaji, and PRO, I think, who is PRO? Arun Perin Jyoti, I think. Am I correct? I could not see Shivaji, but Arun Perin Jyoti is here. Shivaji, you are here?
Shivaji garu live hospital
Hospital.
Apollo lo unnaru corona.
Yeah.
Due to corona.
It is very bad. Our Shivaji is in the hospital.
Yes, taken permission of absence.
His wife is in the hospital because of corona. We have to be very careful about the corona now. It is growing very fast. Even young people are getting. Yesterday, we saw but 2 people, very young people expired. So friends, we have to be very careful. And now let me start with additional PRO Shivaji and PRO Arut Perin Jyoti. I think Arut Perin Jyoti is here. You are there? Arut Perin Jyoti, yes, he is there. Sir, show your face, Arut Perin Jyoti. Only we can see your name only. Because unless we see your face, you may misguide us by showing your name. Without present also, some people, they put their name and go and do some work. And they won't listen what we say, then what is use? Yes. So welcome Arut Perin Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I know you are a sincere man, just for joke I am telling.
Yeah.
You will be always from the first to end. A dedicated leader.
Thank you, sir.
And wholeheartedly involved. His heart is full of with alliance movement.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Arut Perin Jyoti, you are the PRO of the South Multiple.
Yes.
So you have to see, you have to show as a model PRO this year. So far the PROs are not taking seriously in South Multiple because everything they leave it to the chairman. PRO can do wonders. Whenever there is a council meeting, you go before council meeting, you see that you organize a press meet at least. If you organize a press meet local, so many people will know about our organization. Press coverage you have to do regularly. And you have to see our photos should come. Our multiple activities photos should come in the website, should come in the Facebook, should come in the YouTube channel, and it should come in all WhatsApp groups, messages. So this is your responsibility to create image for our South Multiple. I don't want to go in detail. You have to be in touch with the communication of South Multiple to other multiples, international, other media. So because of this creation of image through media, the information technology, our organization will grow. So you have to take it seriously. Move with your good friend, like Balachandran. See that our image will be there. Do you accept to do all these things?
Sure, sir. Definitely, I will reach to the
Yes.
occasion.
Thank you.
I will give you 100% marks from you, sir.
Of course, Shivaji will also help you.
Sure, he is a senior. He
Yes.
is my guru.
Yes. But you should take the lead in improving all these things. Support everything. Suppose I am president this year. I did only few things. All our vice presidents and other directors, they have done well. That is why the credit is coming to our international. Everything I didn't do. But if PRO, joint secretary, joint treasurer, all peoples will do well, chairman can do wonders. Everything chairman cannot see. The image of our multiple should be communicated. The service activities of our image should go in all the media. That is your responsibility. Of course, sometimes you cannot. You take the help of Senthil Kumar. He can help you in creating image for this organization. Okay, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
Now, joint treasurer Jagata Ram Singh. I think I didn't see her. He's there. She is there. Jagata Ram Singh is here. And treasurer also Devarajan, LIS Devarajan. Devarajan here. Devarajan is there.
Yes, sir. I am here, sir.
Yes, Devarajan. Welcome, Devarajan.
Yes, sir.
You will be
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you will be the treasurer for this South Multiple. Our Balachandran and yourself have to open an account for our South Multiple. And you are the custodian of the multiple juice. And you have to collect all the multiple juice of 30 rupees per head from all the districts. And spend the money as per the budget you submit in the first council meeting. Yes. Because the treasurer is not much money at the multiple level.
Yes.
Because 30 rupees from each member, it comes very small amount. So anyhow, it is you are responsible and motivate the governors to pay the multiple dues. Immediately, you send, what is the practice we are losing is, immediately you have to send bills to all the districts for a multiple dues. That earlier we are not doing. Now I am telling to you, you send multiple dues bills to every governor and see that all the multiple dues are collected. Every council meeting, you have to present the accounts. First multiple council meeting, you have to present the budget. And every council meeting, along with the budget, what is the expenditure you spend up to that time, you have to submit. Not simply receipts and payments account. You have to show budget one column, and you have to last year figures one column, and present year one column. Like that, you prepare budget properly. If you take it seriously, anybody can assist you. So many experts are there in South Multiple. If you ask them, they will assist you. And you present, prove that you are a good treasurer. Prove that you are excellent in presenting your accounts. Attend all council meetings and international conventions. And you also try to motivate all the districts to pay the international dues. Our international will send the due list to our multiple council chairman. You take the list and motivate all your governors whenever you conduct a council meetings or talking to them personally, to the governors. See that all the districts pay the international dues properly to the international in time. That is also your responsibility. So can I assure to the house that you will be the best multiple treasurer?
Yes, sir. We, with the support of our Balachandra sir, we will do, sir. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
And all our from our seniors, we will do, sir.
Congrats, Devarajan, for your acceptance. Next, let me go to the Joint Secretary, Adinarayana, L.A. Rango Adinarayana, and Secretary Rajendran. Rajendran. I think both are here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Here, sir.
Rajendran. Rajendran is a wonderful leader. I know very well. He is a matured leader and do everything systematically. He did successfully in developing 219. Rajendran, you are the right person for the secretary chosen by our chairman. You have to be closely associated with our chairman. You have to play a very great role in development of our multiple. You are the main person. See how Rajesh Rao has done last year for Ramakrishna. Rajesh Rao established a model leader for a secretary. How he has to do. Similarly, more than Rajesh Rao, you have to do as a secretary this year in South Multiple. Chairman will ask you to do so many things. And it is the decision. Chairman take decision. You have to implement all the decisions. You send communication. You see that all our South Multiple WhatsApp groups update with the new leaders, first of all. Because you should not continue with the old leaders. Now all old leaders will become past governors. All past governors of South Multiple are members in the council. So you have to include in South Multiple WhatsApp group, present governors and vice governors and past governors. First update our WhatsApp group. And you should send all communication, whatever decided by the council chairman, whatever the communication you receive from the international, you have to forward in the WhatsApp groups to all the members to know. You have to control the WhatsApp groups also. Nowadays, many members are not joining because of unnecessary postings. This WhatsApp group is created to give the information about the South Multiple to the members. Don't post unnecessary things here. Don't post good morning things. Don't post other matters. It is for the satisfaction of the person who is posting, who is going to bother all this information. Everything now available in the WhatsApp. If I want, I can search and hear everything. So you need not post here. So you be careful. Post the relevant information only. See, control the WhatsApp group of South Multiple. We have a service activities group. What are the services also? There also you post only service activities. We have a greetings group. There you do greetings, birthday greetings. So as a secretary of South Multiple, you are responsible for maintaining the WhatsApp groups of main group, administration group, service group, and greetings group. First of all. And you have to communicate to all the governors and vice governors the proceedings of the council meeting. Immediately after council meeting, you have to send the minutes to all the members. You have to send meeting notice in advance to all the council members. You can take the assistance of our ready joint secretary. Not only sending communication, you have to ring up to them, motivate them, send several times. You can send messages to the personal members. So for all council meeting, you have to invite, you have to motivate all the members to present and see that the council meeting gathering is good. So these are the major duties as a council chairman, council secretary, and joint secretary. When secretary is not there, joint secretary will step into the shoes of the secretary and he will do. I don't think Rajendra will give such a wonderful opportunity to Narayan Reddy because he's a dynamic leader. So let me get an assurance from the secretary and joint secretary to the house that you do your best with regard to your duties. Rajendran, can you promise to all of us?
Sir, Rajendran sir, unmute and speak. Unmute.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, Rajendran, for your wonderful acceptance, and you try to prove yourself as a very good leader. Then now, let me go to the top leaders of this multiple. The third vice chairman, my good friend, and our last year governor of our district, Venkat Rao. He did very well of our district. He has given more than 30 life members, and he is giving another 20-25 life members before 20th. We have another 2 model clubs are there. I think he's giving more than around 60 life members to the international as a governor. We planned a lot of things. He planned so many ideas in developing our district. Because of the corona, we could not able to. Even then, they have done a lot of things. By recognizing all his activities and contributions, our multiple has selected him as a second vice chairman. He is a very experienced leader in Lions and in so many senior citizens organizations. Running so many educational institutions is good friend to me for so many years. So he can be a very right leader, future our multiple chairman. That is why we elected him as second vice chairman. L.I. Venkat Rao, you have to be continuously in touch with Balachandran. Balachandran will give you some duties in controlling the districts of maybe Andhra. That is why he has taken one leader from Andhra, one leader from Telangana, and one leader from Tamil Nadu. He is himself Tamil Nadu. So whatever the Balachandran give you, whatever the instructions given by Balachandran, and whatever the programs you design, you have to take care of the entire Andhra Pradesh. You see that all districts are active in Andhra Pradesh. See that you are responsible for the growth of alliance movement in Andhra Pradesh. That is the main duty. You have to see that our districts, alliance districts, will be established in all the districts of Andhra Pradesh. We are with you. First, we have to be strong, our district. We have to be strong in our state. Then we have to be strong in our south multiple. Then automatically we are strong in entire globe. That is why I request you, if you do very well as a second vice chairman, and then you will go to first chairman, and then multiple chairman. You have wonderful leadership qualities, and show all the qualities and use all your leadership qualities for the growth of alliance movement under the leadership of Balachandran. So Venkatrao, can you assure me and the house?
Yes, sir, I assure.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, Venkatrao garu. Now, second vice chairman, Balakrishna. Now you became first vice chairman, Balakrishna Siddula from Karimnagar. Is he here? I saw him. You are there, sir, Balakrishna? I saw him. I think now he is not in the, I could not see him. Balakrishna also is next, he will be the chairman. Now you, Balakrishna, I think our Senthil Kumar is recording. Send this message of installation to him so that at least he will know.
Sure, sir.
Balakrishna, you record it and show it to our first vice chairman later. Balakrishna is also responsible. He has to participate in all the council meetings and he has to listen to our chairman. And he has to take the responsibility of Telangana. And he has to establish many districts there. And whatever the instructions given by our council chairman and council, he has to do. He is also a very dynamic leader. He is a very good leader in other organizations, I think, other lines, and maybe blood donations. He plays major role in collection of blood in Telangana. Red Cross Society, member in Red Cross Society. He got so many awards in Red Cross Society. And you will be responsible and equally with the chairman. When chairman is not there, you will be in the shoes of the chairman as to execute the council meetings, etc. So I wish you all the best, Balakrishna. And you will be the vice chairman. Future, you will be the chairman of this international. Now let me come to our main topic. Here, sir. Why it is coming repetition? I request the host to mute everybody because some people, they are using two instruments and is coming back somewhere. So I request the host to mute all the people.
Sure, sir.
Yes. Balachandran, good friend Balachandran.
Yes, sir.
Already told you about Balachandran. You are a very dynamic leader. I think you will be the best multiple chairman in South so far. I think I have 100% confidence. The dedication, what you are doing, with dedication, what you are doing, the planning, the thinking. I have seen you, you discussed with me. As soon as you become the chairman, so many things, really, I feel thrilled the way you are working, the way you are planning. I think no council chairman, this international, do like you, as per the plans you discussed with me. I think you will be the role model multiple chairman in the international. You have all qualities. You don't mind for giving any charity. and you have highest motivation skills. For motivation, first we have to do, that is the special quality in you. Before asking anybody, first you give. That is the best quality for any leader. If I tell so many things without doing myself, there is no use. If I suggest any district to do so many things without your own district, then you are not a leader. If you cannot improve your club, if you cannot improve your district, then how can you suggest to others? When I suggest to others, first we have to correct ourselves. For doing any activity, if you want to ask other members to join the members, first we have to join members in your club, in your district. You stood an example as a director. You made all your vice governors, you are making all your vice governors and governors 100%. That is the best thing. So tomorrow, if you ask anything, people will respect you. Certainly, you have wonderful leadership qualities and commitment and sincerity and dedication, whatnot, all the qualities of a leader. With these qualities, you will be the best council chairman in the international itself. Sir, please take it very seriously.
Thank you, sir.
And conduct all the council meetings in a wonderful manner. Chairman means not only conducting the council meetings. You have to motivate, you have to visit to the districts. Whenever any district invites, you have to go and speak to them, know their problems and motivate them. Whatever the targets you fix multiple, you have to achieve. First of all, we should have specific goals for the multiple. How many LMF you want to do? What is the membership growth you want to show? How many blood units you want to collect in South Multiple? How many eye camps you want to conduct at South Multiple? How many youth clubs you want to start at South Multiple? How many kids club you want to in South Multiple? How many districts you want to extend? What is the membership target you have to grow in this multiple? All these things you discuss with your past council chairman and directors. Fix a very good targets for your South Multiple. Once you fix a target, divide them to the governors. Suppose we have around 1,000 to 1,500 clubs in India. If each club gives one LMF, we will get 1,500 LMF. For a club, giving a LMF is it difficult? But the thought we have to prove, thought we have to give light to all the people. We have to light a thought and motivate. So far, we are asking 200, 300, one leaders only. Not like that. We have to go to the basic level. We have to plan for in our international. Every club should give at least one LMF in a year. Then our fund, if you give 1,000 LMFs, we'll get 1 crore. Every year we can raise fund for our international. Like that, your multiple chairmen, directors and leaders, let us fix a target at the multiple level, try to work out. I think Balachandran will take lead in this aspect. You have to conduct training programs for all governors and vice governors. Earlier we have physical meetings, now we have Zoom meetings. We have expert technicals like Senthil Kumar and all. We can conduct training programs at the multiple level. And every 2 months, 3 months, we can meet them, Zoom meetings, meet the governors through Zoom meetings, meet the vice governors separately, and meet the club presidents. Conduct a meeting for club president, bring very good speaker to the meeting and motivate all our club presidents so that there is no limit for functions in the multiple chat. There is no limit for you. You can do wonders as a multiple chairman. I don't have time to specify all these things. Let us discuss in our multiple core committee. You conduct regularly multiple core committee. Need not be physical. You conduct through Zoom. Take the advices from all the senior leaders and put your ideas. Let us frame very good ideas. And the leader is successful when he is involving all his subordinates. When he is involving all his coordinate leaders, co-leaders. If you involve all the leaders, your success is involvement of more members. I want to achieve something, how much I can give? I cannot give larger amounts every year. But I have to involve more leaders, more members, then our success will be very high. Like that, Balachandran, you should be a very good multiple chairman by conducting 3 multiple council meetings, by conducting training programs, by conducting some tours in our multiple level to encourage more members, by conducting interaction programs, by planning twinning programs. You can plan our districts to be the international. Now Bangladesh, Nepal, Philippines, Nigeria, Sri Lanka, so many districts is there. Give option to the governors to talk to the other districts. We can have a joint meetings of the international other districts. Punjab district may be good, 105 may be good. These 2 districts can meet one day and discuss through Zoom. It is not expensive. So many facilities by exchanging our ideas and developing leadership. We can develop more leadership by making some more innovative ideas in developing. These are some, you take ideas from various leaders for new ideas, new technology, and see that our multiple will grow like anything. I did not say everything to you. I wish you all the best and fix the multiple goals, multiple rules and guidelines for giving awards. Whatever, we strictly recognize the leaders. This year, I'm telling at the international, even if my close friend daily speak to me, if he doesn't do the work, I will not give award. I'm telling frankly. We have to be very strict. Our friendship is different. Our closeness is different. But when you give award on the basis of performance, then only people will do. Because somebody is very close to me, so regularly they recognize me. If I recognize such people, our organization will not grow. So you frame very good contest rules for giving awards at the multiple level. The contest rules is guidelines for various clubs and districts. Like that, you motivate and conduct and do and see our multiple will be the best multiple international forever. Once you do the new leaders, Balakrishna and maybe Venkatrao, they also try to achieve more in future. So I wish all the best. God may bless you with all the ideas and leadership qualities to see that our South multiple fly in the international at a very high level. Now I declare all the office bearers under the leadership of our good friend Balachandran are properly installed to our multiple. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
One installation of the new council office bearers. Now, acceptance speech by Balachandran.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Respected Presiding Officer, our South Multiple Vice Council Chairman, Alai Professor Dr. N. Ramakrishna. Today functions chief guest, our respected International President, our mentor, Alai B.T. Raju, sir. Respected PIP and Headquarters in charge, Alai Anub Mittal, sir. Our Constitution Authority, Alai Captain Dr. Kuldeep Singh Ji. Our incoming President, our respected Alai Ori, sir. Our respected Vice Presidents, Alai B.M. Rao Garu, Alai Pankaj Ji, Alai R. Madhivanan, BP, Vice President 3, NRC, and International Secretary, our good friend Alai Sastri Garu, International Multiple District and other leaders who are all participating in the Zoom meeting. Good afternoon to all. First of all, my sincere thanks to all the leaders for selecting me as the chairman of South Multiple Council. With the blessings of our allied leaders and the blessings of our international president, our mentor, B.T. Raju sir, I am taking this position as chairman of SMC today. I hope that you are all having confidence on me. Our past chairman of our multiple have rendered very good services to our council. They have contributed a lot to the SMC. With the guidance of the leaders and instinct and the wholehearted support from all of you, I would like to move our SMC one step ahead. I am ready to render my services to my level best to implement all your suggestions and for the projects for the betterment of our SMC. Definitely, I will make use of the services and assistance of our Tamil Nadu leader, Alai Madhivanan, in future for the implementations of the suggestions and projects. This is occasions I would like to say something of our planning to be implemented shortly. First, to bring out the South Multiple Directory as a grand manner, in a grand manner containing name of the members, addresses of the clubs in all the districts, for which now we are starting the work by collecting the details from the districts. Our international VP3 NRC, Alai Madhivanan, is well versed in having rich experience in publishing the books. Hence, Alai Madhivanan is taking this opportunity as editor-in-chief to bring out the South Multiple Directory. Our past VDG, Mr. Sindilana, is also here. He is assuring me to get that not only a directory, but also we are planning to release a news bulletin for which he will give his assistance. And to open a bank account in the name of South Multiple. Definitely, we will do it shortly, sir. We are planning it. We approached the bank. Bank also agreed, for which we are approached our headquarters to get the details, sir. After receipt of the details from the headquarters, we will open a bank account in the name of South Multiple Council, sir. 3, to bring out the news bulletin every quarter, carrying all the news of South Multiple, carrying with the 3 languages, that is English, Tamil and Telugu, as done recently as an appeal to the leaders for the collection of members' details. Like this only we are going to give this, sir. The 3 languages means Tamil, English and Telugu, sir. Definitely we will do our best to release the news bulletin every quarter. Otherwise, we are also thinking of the release monthly, 2 months. We are planning it, sir. Planning to organize a PST seminar on Zoom shortly, since Corona pandemic is approaching us very fast. Definitely, we will. First, we are planning to organize the PST seminar, sir. Then 5, planning to organize the Merla seminar. We are having such a wonderful man, the first chairman's services. We are going to make use of for the Merla seminar, sir. 6, planning to organize the tree plantations, blood collections, cancer care awareness programs, for which we are giving some opportunity, we are giving some responsibility. Some of the persons, definitely they will carry out the work. We will do our level best, sir. We have nominated 5 leaders to represent for 5 states, that is Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, for coordinating with the SMC and work for the growth of the Alainism movement, sir. 8, planning to establish news districts, but I am not giving any specific quantum, the 4 district, 5 district like this. Definitely I will do my level best, sir. Our Madhivanan is also here. Definitely he will help me. We will do very good services, sir. 9, collection of international and the multiple dues. This is a thing now we are lacking in it. We will definitely do our level best to collect the international dues as well as the multiple dues. Suppose if we collect the dues only, our Alainism movement will grow, our organization will grow. Where is the fund for that? For that we will give importance. What he says is our PRO says, no this in future in SMC, for which we will work, sir. Planning to conduct SMC meeting every 2 months, sir. Actually, on the day itself, I told our president to conduct five meetings every 2 months, every 2 months once meeting. That previously, suppose if it is planning, if it is a physical meeting, one in Karnataka in Bangalore, another is Hyderabad, third is Kanyakumari, fourth is Vizag. Our president asked me to conduct the meeting in Andaman. That is what we plan. Fifth is our hometown in Chennai. But now, pandemic, Corona pandemic is there. That we will decide according to the situation, sir. All your support and help, that you all will stand with me to rise the SMC in a good manner, in a good stand. Thank you all, sir. I am seeking all your support, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Balachandra. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Respected President, can you permit 2 minutes to honor our chairman? Just so we want to the chairman. Can you permit 2 minutes to just honor the chairman, sir?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Long live our chairman, Balachandra, good friend of mine. Long live.
बुलाते अल्लाह बुलाते हाँ नहीं नहीं ना
Any one person can keep the camera properly.
शादी हो गए बच्चे हैं मगर ये नहीं करना नहीं करना
வாங்க ரமேஷ் வாங்க
சார் நீங்க
வாங்க ரமேஷ் வேற என்ன பிடிக்கும் எங்க தான் பேசுங்க
Water bottle.
Long live Alain Isar. Long live SMC chairman.
Sir, can you permit me to honor our office bearer, sir?
Okay.
2 minutes only. 2 minutes. Secretary. Secretary, sir. Special, sir. उधर वो करने के बाद
Okay, sir. Okay, நல்லா பண்ணணும். All the best. All the best.
next இது கொடுக்கணும் ರಮೇಶ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು sir in all respects. ரெண்டு பேர் பண்ணணும் நினைச்சேன் 14 எடுத்து வச்சு
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Balachandran. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next item on the agenda is registration by Anup Mittal ji. Anup Mittal ji,
Yes, yes.
kindly felicitate.
I'm sitting in I'm giving his greeting and felicitation from international headquarters. And first of all, presiding officer, Alai Professor Ramakrishna, multiple council chairperson, guest of the multiple council meeting, Alai B.T. Rajuji, international president, international directors on board, international advisors, international committee chairperson, vice council chairperson, council secretary, council treasurer, and newly elected team council chairman, council secretary, council treasurer, and vice council chairpersons. First of all, let me congratulate Professor Ramakrishna, who has conducted South multiple meeting in a very nice way, and throughout the year he has worked very well. During his tenure, 221 LMF has been given by the South multiple till yesterday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Today, 3 more LMF we have received. Now total count is 224. And I think within 10 days, it will reach nearly 250 or 300, as our international president is working on this LMF. Some international dues has left a few districts. I think they will give within short period of time. International Director Buchiram is sitting here in the multiple meeting. District 221 has not paid their international dues. So I request Buchiram to take this matter and ask them to pay international dues immediately. Rest, we have selected Balachandran, elected Balachandran as a council chairman for the year 2021-22. He is a very dynamic personality, very soft spoken, very cool and calm. And I hope under his able guidance and leadership, the South multiple, whatever the target will be set by the council chairman, that will achieved by the during that period. Once again, I congratulate all of you and hope for the best and best. Yesterday, our international president have circulated the international district governor award. Maybe there may be mistake or there may be something left. So we will rectify. Please send your addition, whatever left. I request all the district governor of South multiple present here. Please see that report, and if something is left, please send us to us so then we rectify and again send to the international president for the circulation. Once again, thank you very much, and I thank you. I congratulate the international team which has given by the South multiple. The third international vice president endorsee, Ali R. Mathivanan, and first International Vice President Endorsee Ali V.M. Rao. We have Ali R. Mathivanan is a very innocent personality. He's very cool and calm. Whenever I talk to him, he replies immediately. And he discuss the thing, do the things in a nice way. He always ready to give the result. So we want such type of personality in our hierarchy, third vice president, international president, and I hope under his able leadership and guidance, this our association of Alliance Club will come up like anything. He will give so good fruits to the Association of Alliance Club International that we all enjoy. So I congratulate coming third Vice International President Endorsee LIR Mathivanan for his good future, and we all hope that he will give the good result. Similarly, first International Vice President Endorsee V.M. Rao is no doubt, he is excellent, he is a chartered accountant, he talk to the point. He don't he don't say here and there, to the point. Whenever I ask something, he talk to the point. I send account, he asks why it is happened, why not this happened, how you are working like that. So he is very particular, he is very sincere. So I think under his able guidance, coming future, he will be the international president, and we all hope for the bright future. And under his able guidance and leadership, this association will grow also. So again, I congratulate you all once again and hope for the bright future. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Lani.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request our past international president, LI Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh Ji, to give his felicitations. Sir, Kuldeep Singh Ji. Kuldeep Singh Ji.
Okay, next. Next one, this year, sir.
Guri.
V.M. Rao.
V.M. Rao is not there. Tiruppa is also not there. DBG Shastri. Shastri Ji.
Thank you, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Professor Ramakrishna Garu, for giving me this opportunity. Really, it's a wonderful session under your chairmanship. We enjoyed a lot during the previous year, though it was a pandemic situation. So, Hellenistic achievements have been risen to new heights previous year. You can say under the able guidance of your able leadership of yourself, under the able guidance of our international president, like B. Tirupati Raju ji. So I congratulate and compliment the entire team of yours for the successful achievements so far from our South Multiple Council, with the cooperation extended from all corners to your body. Next, I take up this opportunity to congratulate and compliment the new multiple council chairperson, my good friend Alai K. Balachandran ji, for his new post as a chairman of South Multiple Council. Is a very sincere and dynamic personality, and he has proved himself as a good leader in the previous years. So I'm sure under his chairmanship, our South Multiple will shine like anything in the entire international. And I take this opportunity to congratulate our endorsee for the International Vice President 1, V.M. Rao ji, and International Vice President Sri Endasi Alai R. Mativananji, and I wish all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you, sir. Once again, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Long live Alanis.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, Mr. Rao. Please proceed.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Firstly, I congratulate Mr. Balachandran, my friend,
Thank you, sir.
and very, very pleasant person and good-hearted person. I congratulate on becoming the South Multiple Chairman for this
Thank you,
year.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
And
you, sir.
also your team, a good team. Arun Perunjoti, I know him, and all others. All others, I mean Rajendran, I know. So I congratulate all of them on behalf of the Association of Alliance Club. And also, Balchandran, you are the best leader, one of the best leader. I should not say the best, one of the best leader in Tamil Nadu. I have been seeing you throughout my alienistic career, that you are one of the best, and you are doing wonderful service to the alienism with the help of another great leader, Madhivanan. I really congratulate. I hope that you will continue your service to the alienism and expand the alienism in Tamil Nadu. You have already started new districts and promised some other districts. Congratulations again to you, Balchandran.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then again, I must heartfully congratulate Madhivanan. He is also one of the good friend. Now, Madhivanan, he extended many districts with the help of Balchandran. Madhivanan, I am telling you one thing, sir. So you are so far one of the voices of Tamil culture and language. Now you have become the international leader. You represent Alienism as a third vice president. So from this moment onwards, you represent the Bharat. You represent the Bharat. You are the voice of Bharat. You are the ambassador of Bharat and Alienism. Please keep that in mind, sir, and we will all support, and with the support of international leader, our mentor B.T. Raju and Kuldeep Singh and Anup Metal, we all support you, sir, and we hope that you will extend not only districts in not only Tamil Nadu and also throughout India and abroad also. I heard that you have extended a district at Sri Lanka. That is very good, sir. Very good. And also a district at Coimbatore. I know who helped you, and Balchandran is very good. That's Coimbatore is another city that we wanted to. I personally wanted to extend a district at Coimbatore also, sir. And also, I congratulate Mr. Ramakrishna. We have conducted this meeting very well with the support of Raju Garu and Rajeshwar, particularly Rajeshwar Rao. He has been doing these meetings, Zoom meetings, wonderfully. Every meeting he has organized wonderfully, and he assisted Ramakrishna, the council chairman, very well, sir. I also congratulate Ramakrishna for his directorship of Alienism, and also Sudandra Lakshmi for his directorship. And also I hope that I request Rajuji to recommend Srinivas also to the directorship of Hellenism, sir. Sir, wish you all the best, sir, to the new team and the new directors and the new Vice President 1 and Vice President 3. And thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhujaramji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bhujaram.
Now,
Thank you.
the last item is vote of thanks by the Secretary, K. Rajeshwar Rao.
Thank you, sir. Presiding officer, Dr. Ramakrishna garu.
Gandhi అని
రాజేశ్వర్ గారు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. మ్యూట్.
So I am thankful to Anup Chatterjee, past international president, for showing patience and
Rajeshwar sir, can you unmute when you speak, sir? Unmute and speak.
Okay. So I have to start from again.
Sure.
So, dear Presiding Officer, Professor Ramakrishna garu, South Multiple Council Chairperson, I am thankful to our International President, our Chief Guest, Dr. B.T. Raj garu, so L.I. Anup Mittal garu, past International President, for his beautiful message. I am thankful to you, Avinash Ori, International President, NRC, or V.M. Rao garu, International Vice President 1, NRC, and Pankaj Srivastava, International Vice President 2, NRC, and or Mathivanan, my friend, International Vice President 3, NRC, or DBG Sastri garu, International Secretary, and C. Murthy garu, L.I. Balachandran, my friend. So what I have to congratulate him again, once again, because
Thank you, sir.
so
Thank you.
he has been already he's on the wheels. Already he started his cabinet and other things in action. So I once again congratulate you, Balachandar.
Thank you, sir.
So I congratulate Balakrishna garu, South Multiple Council Vice Chairman, L.I. P. Venkatrao garu, South Multiple Vice Chairman number 2, electee, or DGs, PDGs, International Directors from South, L.I. Avinash, International Advisors, Shivaji garu, Atma Ramlu garu, past international directors. So I am thankful to each and every one. So I am thankful to Mr. Senthil. He has been covering the entire meeting with photos and other things. So we have been attending from morning 10 to 1. So I am thankful to each and every officer for sparing their entire valuable time. So I wish you all the best. So let us help the new chairman, South Multiple Council, Balachandar, and his team of officers. So thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Meeting is adjourned. Meeting adjourned.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Balchandran sir, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mathivanan ji, congratulations.
Thank you.
Balchandran.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Siddhula Balakrishna garu, congratulations. Venkatrao garu, congratulations.
Thank you. So, or Sastri garu, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Arul Paranjyoti garu, congratulations.
Rajesh, thanks very much. Thanks very much.
Madhivanan, congrats.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.
Rajesh.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Good day.
Thank you all.
Good day, Balchandra.
Okay.
Good day.
Thank you.
All the best.
Good day.
Balchandar.
Namaskaram, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
So,
Thank you.
hereafter, I'll be attending your meeting as DG 105.
Okay.
Balchandar. Balchandar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'll be attending your meeting as a DG 105, sir.
Correct. Otherwise, you would have been,
So I'm stepping into the other avatar.
correct. Otherwise, you would have been our team. No, team.
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir. Well, you have a wonderful team. Our Rajendra is there, Arun Panjab, Charan Jyoti is there. So many good officers, dedicated officers you are having as team. Thank you, sir.
Sir, Rajesh Rao, we have First Class Satish, our charter governor with us, and
Yes, sir.
Vijayalakshmi Garu, charter governor with us.
చార్టర్ గవర్నర్ గారు అన్నారు ఇందాక పిలిచినప్పుడు
Rajesh Rao.
Satish Garu.
Congratulations to you.
సతీష్ గారు చెప్పండి సార్.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ సార్
Thank
మేము
you, sir.
టెంపుల్ కి వెళ్తున్నామని సార్ మధ్యలో
చెప్పారమ్మా మరి ఇప్పుడు మీ
దర్శనానికి
టీమును మీరు ఎంకరేజ్ సో వి విష్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
Thank you, sir.
And in South Multiple now we are having 26 districts, not 25, sir. So I think Balchandra will improve some more districts.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ బాలచంద్ర గారు.
That definitely. At 26, we are
Congratulations, Palachandar.
வணக்கம்.
Congratulations.
இல்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Thank you.
Madhivanam sir, congratulations.
மதி சார்
Madhivanam sir, congratulations.
வரார்.
Madhivanam sir, congratulations.